Welcome back to my channel, you guys. My name is Briasia Renee. If you don't know me, you better get to know me, because guess what? I'm not going anywhere. Okay? So, as you can see, I'm looking crazy right now. But tomorrow is Thanksgiving and I can't look like this. So we're gonna do a little bit of maintenance. I'm gonna do my hair and I'm gonna do my lashes. I am actually taking a break from lash extensions and I'm doing clusters. So also I'm trying to grow my lashes back out. That's the main reason why I stopped getting lash extensions. When I was younger, my lashes were so long. Like, I would take so long in the mirror in the mornings putting on mascara. I would do like 3 to 4 coats of mascara and my lashes were like so long. So I'm trying to get it back to that. So I bought these clusters off of Amazon that my friend recommended me, and hers were really cute. So I was like, you know what, I could try that. You know, I've never did cluster lashes, but it saves money, and like I said before, I'm on a budget right now. So I'm gonna try out clusters. And I want to show you guys this. I bought this at Salon Centric. It is Grande Lash, a lash enhancing serum. So this helps your lashes grow out really, really fast in 3 months, it says. So I've been putting that on my lashes for the past 3 days. Came with Grande Brow, Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara. I've been using that. And Grande Conditioning Peptide Mascara. I don't really know what any of these things mean. And then they gave me a lip plump. A lip plump. And you know I'm going to use that. I have these 3D Crest whitening strips that I want to try out. I've heard that these really work. So I'm going to look at this and see. But I want to get my teeth whiter. I know it probably looks like super white on camera right now, but they're really not that. They could be whiter. That's my boyfriend upstairs. Babe, you're messing up my YouTube video. Anyways, I got my coconut water. Y'all, lately I've been obsessed with coconut water. So what I'm gonna do today is a flip over with my Tropical Deep Wave from the one and only Briasia Renee Beauty. If you guys don't know, I own my own hair brand called Briasia Renee Beauty, formerly known as Briasia Slaja. If you know, you know. So we're gonna use Tropical Deep Wave bundles and doing a flip over. Let's get into it. Now that my hair is done, I think it came out really, really cute. What you guys think? Did I kill that shit or not? I think I did. Anyways, now we're gonna move on to lashes. Even though I'm kind of feeling the no lash look, like this pimple, bro, and it's on the inside and it hurts so bad. Anyways, this, I'm gonna use these lashes. I don't really know the name of it because there's no name on it, but I can definitely tag it down below. in the description. So this is says, and I never did individual cluster lashes before, so wish me luck, guys. Step 1, brush a thin layer of bond on natural lashes to prep them for lash clusters. Step 2, dab on the seal under the lashes to lock beauty all day. Dab on the seal under the lashes. Okay. All right, so what was first? Bond. So bond. What does it say to do? Bond. Brush a thin layer of bond on it. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. So bond first. I really don't know if I'm doing this right or how to do it at all, you guys. So bear with me. This goes on like mascara. A thin layer. They said a thin layer. I feel like my lashes are growing already. Damn. That grande lash stuff, I feel like it works. And it's only been like 3 days. That's kind of crazy. But yeah. Alright, I'm done chatting. Tap on the seal under. What the hell is the seal? Seal the lashes in place. Okay. So we just put this on after and then put the lashes on, I'm guessing. Okay guys, wish me luck. I got this little tiny cluster. I hope I don't drop it, because that's gonna piss me off. Alright. Oh, it sticks easily. It just sticks like... Okay, I might could do this. I might could work with this. Oh, hell to the no. Why it's not sticking? I don't have time for this. Am I supposed to wait for the bond to dry, or is it supposed to be wet? Ugh, this is messy, y'all. Why nobody warned me? I think I need to put another 10 on this inner corner. I don't know if you guys can see. This is what it's looking like. You guys, you won't even believe what I just figured out. I am so slow sometimes. I was doing it wrong the whole time. I had to get off camera to like really focus and lock in and figure out why my lashes wasn't sticking. Do y'all want to know why they wasn't sticking? Like, are y'all ready for this? So I'm thinking the bond is like a pre thing. The bond is the glue, like the actual glue. And I'm thinking the seal is like the glue. I realized the glue, the bond side is like sticky. So I'm like, is this the glue? And then I'm like, it is. You know, I be having blind moments sometimes. So we did it though. I'm pretty sure when I wake up tomorrow, this eye is not gonna be on. But look at the lashes. I never thought I would say this, but your girl is a cluster girly. Ow. Wow, I just did my hair and my lashes at home. I saved myself like $500. Wow. Okay. I can get used to this. I can for sure get used to this. Now that I know how to do them, I'm like, yeah. You hold on, cause spoke too soon, cause why is this one acting like it wants to come off? Next time around, they're gonna be perfect. All right, so now now I'm gonna get into the whitening strips. Now this is something that's also new to me. I hope this don't piss me off. Like this. The shorter one is for the bottom. Gel side of strip to front teeth. Align straight edge of strip with gum line. What side is gel? I don't know. Okay. Okay. Feels weird, but let's move on to the top. they're in, and now we just wait 45 minutes, right? After 45 minutes, peel, strip from corner, and pull gently across to ease removal. You may rinse or brush to remove remaining gel. At 45 minutes, I'm gonna brush it. I'm gonna brush my teeth and call it a night. I will most likely see you guys tomorrow morning to give you like an update. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and comment down below what other videos you want to see from me. Okay, bye.